My name is Luis. I used to spend hours every day scrolling through social media. I watched funny videos, liked photos, and read posts. But after all that time, I didn't feel smarter. I didn't feel better. I just felt tired. One day, I looked at the clock. I had spent 3 hours on Instagram and TikTok. Then I tried to read a short English message from my friend. And I couldn't understand it. I felt embarrassed. I had been trying to learn English for months. But I wasn't getting better. That night, I searched online. Why can't I learn English fast? I found many articles and videos. But one sentence caught my eye. You're using social media wrong. It made me stop. What did that mean? It made me stop. What did that mean? I clicked the video. The person said, if you use social media just for fun, it wastes your time. But if you use it wisely, it can help you learn English fast. That was surprising. I had never thought about social media as a learning tool. That sentence changed everything. I decided to try something new. The next morning, I opened Instagram. But this time, I typed English learning into the search bar. I found hundreds of short videos teaching English phrases, vocabulary, and pronunciation. I followed 10 pages right away. As I scrolled, I saw a video. How to say I don't know in 5 different ways. I listened and repeated after the speaker. Then another video. Common English mistakes. I watched and learned. In just 10 minutes, I had learned more than I did the entire week before. That evening, I created a new TikTok account only for English content. I followed teachers from different countries. Some taught grammar with songs. Some used role plays. Some shared daily vocabulary with fun animations. My feed started to change. Now, every time I opened an app, I didn't just waste time. I learned something useful. I called it my smart scroll. And it worked. After 1 week, I started to feel more confident. I could understand small English jokes and memes. I could repeat short phrases without thinking. But I wanted more. I wanted to speak. Then I saw something interesting. In the comments section of a video, people were practicing English. They wrote short sentences like, "This is useful," or "I want to try this." I decided to join. I started writing comments in English under learning videos. At first, I was nervous. What if I made a mistake? But soon, other learners liked my comments and replied. It felt like a small English club. One creator even responded with a voice note correcting my sentence politely. I was learning from real people. Then I tried making my own story using a trending sound. It was simple. 3 phrases I learned today. I uploaded it and used hashtags like #LearnEnglish and #English for beginners. To my surprise, a few people watched it and liked it. Suddenly, social media wasn't just fun. It was helping me use English. Social media is full of distractions. I didn't want to go back to wasting hours online. So I made a new rule. 15 minutes a day for English only. Each morning, I watched 3 short English videos. I repeated what I heard. Then I wrote 1 sentence using the new phrase. I even recorded myself speaking and compared my pronunciation. At lunch, I scrolled for 5 minutes and commented on 2 videos. In the evening, I wrote a post about what I learned. Some people replied. It became a habit. I learned slang, real-life expressions, and modern pronunciation. Things no textbook ever taught me. Most importantly, I stopped being scared of English. It became part of my daily life. All through my phone. Now, I still use social media. But with purpose. I follow only English learning creators. And I speak, listen, and write every day. My friends asked me, Luis, How did your English get so good so fast? I smile and say, social media. But I use it the right way. You don't need to study for hours or buy expensive courses. You can learn English fast with the apps you already use. If you change how you use them. So, next time you open Instagram or TikTok, ask yourself, am I just scrolling, or am I learning? Make the switch. Use social media to grow. Not just to scroll. Vocabulary highlights. Scroll. Move through content on a screen. Embarrassed. Feeling shy or ashamed. Phrase. A short group of words. Trending. Popular at the moment. Feed. Your main social media screen. Roleplay. Acting like someone in a situation. Hashtag. A word with. Used to label content. Creator. A person who makes content. Comment. A reply or message under a post. Pronunciation. How you say a word. If you enjoyed this story, like, share, and subscribe to Tales Fluency. Direct Hit Learn how to use social media in a smart way to speak better English. Faster. Comment below. What English word did you learn from social media today?